There are many different programming languages used in the technology field in all different roles, all with their own pros and cons. These pros and cons can make or break the language popularity and use in the software engineering field, or even affect the programming language being used in your own personal projects. Today, we're diving into the best programming languages that you should learn this year. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your toolkit, these programming languages will keep you ahead of the curve and help you stay competitive in the fast-moving tech world. This list was made with a combination of heavily researched information and my own experience in the software engineering field. So let's get right into it, starting at number 10, Ruby. Ruby may not be the hottest language right now, but for web development, especially with Ruby on Rails, it's very relevant still. There are many startups that love it because it allows for rapid prototyping, and companies like Airbnb and GitHub still rely on it. Ruby's learning curve and its clean syntax also make it a great choice for beginners who want to learn how to build web applications quickly. It's also a great choice for a beginner's first programming language, as it teaches you high-level programming basics with syntax closer to English than, say, C++. If you're looking to break into web development with minimal hassle, Ruby is an excellent entry point. If you're interested in iOS development, Swift is a no-brainer. Apple continues to dominate the mobile market, and Swift is the go-to language for building apps on iPhones, iPads, and even Apple Vision Pro. With Apple's ongoing focus on augmented reality and AI, Swift developers have a bright future ahead. The mobile market is only going to get bigger in 2025 and years to come, so there will always be a need for mobile app developers. Additionally, Swift Playgrounds make learning fun and interactive, making it an excellent first language for beginners looking to enter the app development space. While Swift does have a major issue for many people, being that you need a Mac with Xcode to upload an app to the App Store, Apple has resources that let you code in Swift on other operating systems and good documentation for the language. With Swift being one of the standard languages to create apps in the App Store, I would highly recommend it if you're looking to create any mobile applications. At number 8 is a fan favorite for most, Rust. Rust is the king of memory safety and performance, making it one of the fastest growing languages there is. If you're interested in systems programming, cybersecurity, or game development, Rust is definitely worth learning. Companies like Microsoft and Mozilla are investing in Rust, so it's here to stay, and its community is only getting bigger. More organizations are transitioning to Rust to enhance their software security and performance, which gives anyone who learns Rust in 2025 a major advantage for the future. Go, or Golang, is known for its simplicity and speed, making it a favorite for back-end development and cloud computing. Google uses it heavily, and with the rise of AI and large-scale applications, Go's efficiency makes it a must-learn for serious developers in 2025. The ability to handle many concurrent processes efficiently make it perfect for scalable applications and even smaller projects. Major platforms like Kubernetes and Docker are already built using Go, further cementing its importance in modern development. At number 6, we have a classic, C#. C# is a powerhouse in game development, enterprise software, and cloud computing. It's the backbone of the Unity game engine, making it a must-learn for aspiring game developers. But C# isn't just for games. Microsoft's .NET ecosystem make it essential for building robust applications, desktop apps, and even cloud-based solutions with Azure. With its strong object-oriented principles, high performance, and cross-platform capabilities, C# remains a top choice for developers looking for versatility in 2025. TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript, but it makes it even better by adding type safety. If you're serious about web development, I would say that learning TypeScript is a must. Big names like Microsoft, Slack, Airbnb all rely on TypeScript to build large-scale applications. TypeScript lets you create structured, scalable projects and allows you to maintain them in the long run, which is why its language and community is only going to grow bigger. If you already know JavaScript, TypeScript is very easy to pick up, so I would highly suggest giving it a try if you haven't already. At number 4 is C++. C++ is still going strong, especially in industries like game development, finance, and embedded systems. With AI and VR pushing boundaries, high-performance computing remains crucial, making C++ a valuable skill in 2025. It's widely used in game engines like Unreal Engine, making it essential for aspiring game developers. Plus, it's still a key player in robotics, automotive software, and high-frequency trading, along with thousands of other parts of the field, like operating systems and graphics. If you want to work in cutting-edge technology, C++ is definitely the most powerful tool in your arsenal. At number 3 is Java. Java might be old, but it's not going anywhere. Big corporations rely on Java for enterprise applications, and it's still widely used in Android development, back-end systems, and cloud computing. It's everywhere. Java's cross-platform capability makes it ideal for developing many large-scale applications. Plus, frameworks like Spring Boot keep Java relevant for modern web development. The demand for Java developers remains high, making it a smart choice for job security and stability as well. While a very controversial language to many developers, Java remains high in usage in the year of 2025. At number 2 is a language that rose through the years of popularity and usage. Python. Python remains one of the most versatile programming languages. Whether you want to work in AI, data science, web development, automation, anything, Python has you covered. With AI taking over, Python skills are more valuable than ever as well. Its simplicity and vast ecosystem of libraries make it the preferred language for machine learning and AI research, as well as being a big first pick for many programmers getting into the field. Python is also widely used in automation, reducing manual tasks for businesses. If you're looking to basically future-proof your career, Python is a must-learn. And at number 1, we have the king of the web, JavaScript. It powers over 90% of the web and is essential for front-end, back-end, and full-stack development. With its frameworks like React, Node.js, and Next.js evolving, JavaScript will remain the backbone of modern web applications in 2025. It's also a great starting point for beginners due to its ease of use and vast community support. JavaScript developers will always be in high demand, so mastering it opens endless career opportunities. If you are even thinking about getting into web development, JavaScript is an absolute must-learn. These are my top 10 best programming languages to learn in 2025, and while they are ranked, they are all useful in one way or another. They all have many resources out there on the internet for you to learn them, and they all have big community support as well. Please leave a like in the video and subscribe to my channel for more top 10 technology content like this, and feel free to leave a comment on what programming languages you use in either professional or personal development. Thanks.